Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. As you know, it is very difficult time of pandemic situation because of COVID-19. So for all of us, last 2 to 3 months were very difficult. It was completely locked down. Still, we have continued with you people with your studies and we with teaching. Indeed, yet we have not personally meet with each other, but though there was a platform, e-platform, which we used for teaching. And indeed, the situation, the semester was, and this year, in fact, it was completely different from all the previous years. Because for more than 2 months, we used Zoom platform or Google Meet platform for teaching. Right? And it was indeed little bit difficult or more difficult for many of us, because we were also learning, you were also learning how to use e-platform, as well as every day we were preparing well. Rosalie ma'am has prepared video lectures for you. All of us have also conducted Zoom lectures, video. All of us use different platforms, as well as we used Google Drive to share for sharing of the material. You people also replied and responded very well whenever it was the question of assignment. We can understand the situation. As I told you, for all of us, it was a difficult or tough period. But because all of us supported each other, cooperated, and anyhow we made it possible. And now further we are going to conduct online examination, written examination, as well as practical viva, oral examination. So I know for last 2 to 3 months in this difficult situation, you people tried to study well, and now onwards also you will work very hard, right? And I wish all of you all the very best for your oral examination as well as written examination. And definitely this year is going to a memorable year, not because only of this pandemic situation, but because the way in which all of us handled it, the way in which we made it possible, because of cooperation, support of all of us. Together we work and together we are succeeding. All the very best to all of you.
Where there is a will, there is a way. So obviously, no doubt, as Shweta ma'am has said, we faced so many difficulties and problems because of this corona pandemic situation, and which is worldwide, not only in our areas or only in our college or in our residential area, but it's throughout the whole world. And that's why whatever problems we have faced, but still we'll find our way. How and why? With our determination, with our dedication, with our confidence that just anyhow, whatever situations, problems will be there, but we will complete our degree, we will complete our examination, we will complete our study and all the things. So anyhow, there is the lockdown situation, but we are on. Okay, we have never stopped. Either it's teaching learning process, or it's your practice part, it's your study part, or either it's from our side. We have provided each and everything to you people. Either it's a study material like reading of all the chapters, then MCQ questions or one-line questions, descriptives, how to prepare it. Google Forms are provided to you people just to practice and practice and practice. As it said that practice makes man perfect. So just for that sake, okay, just to make you more perfect in your field, we have done our best, and I hope you are also doing the best thing. So be ready for the examination. It will be conducted soon, and I hope you all are studying well. Just do practice, just do study, and just score more as soon as possible. All the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
So thank you, Shweta ma'am, thank you, Payal ma'am, and both the ma'ams have wished you all the best. And I'm sure you people will be missing our lab, because you have not been in the lab as much as other students are going to be. So that is why we have recorded this video in the lab. And we have been interacting with each other either via WhatsApp, Google Form, or online, and every one of us were interacting. The reason of making this video is just to wish you all the best not only for the examination, even for your career. We wish all the best, and any help, any support for your education, for any problem solving, we three are always there. And I'm thanking Payal ma'am, I'm thanking Shweta ma'am, I thank every one of you who all, without you or without us, it would not have been a success. And from Monday, your examination is starting, and wish you all the best. God bless you and stay safe.